is that joining the file. You can even join two files using the paste command. Okay, like cutting, you can do joining also. Now, two files can be pasted together using the paste command. For the paste command to work properly, we need to ensure that both the files have exactly the same number of lines. Remember, if the number of lines is not same, then the command may not result into expected output as it pastes from top of the file. Now, we will first create two files named part1.txt and part2.txt using cut command, and then join them using the paste command. So let us do that. First I will clear the screen. So how to do that thing? Cut -d space, delimiter is comma, -f. So first to 4 fields from address.txt. Now where we want to take it? We want to save it in a file named part, here I will leave space, part1.txt. okay. So that work is done. Shall we see the output? Shall we check the output? Cut part1, sorry, cat part1, part1.txt. So here you can see the output that the first 4 fields are displayed. Now the next 4 fields we will store it in a file named part2. So we execute the same command, cut -d delimiter double quotes comma -f, then 5th to 8 from which file? address.txt, part2.txt. So that is also done. We can check it. Okay, so here you can see the address, city and pin code in this file. So we have separated, we have created two separate files, part1 and part2. Now we will join it. Okay, so how shall we join? It's very simple. First I will show you. See, here is address.txt, here is part1, okay, here is part2, okay, and this is complete file address. Right? So all 3 parts you can see here. Now we will use the paste command to join this thing. Paste space part1. Now here you can change the sequence also. Suppose if you want the address and other fields first, then you can write that file name first. Paste part1.txt space part2.txt. okay, both the things are to be pasted, so we use this command. So you can see the output that here both the things got pasted, but this thing just remained on the screen. It is not saved in any of the file. Just to see the results you can use this command. Now the next command is ordering the output, that is sorting the data. You all know in Microsoft Word or in Excel we use sort command to sort the data in ascending order and descending order. So the sort command is used to do this work. So we sort the data. Now here in our example of address.txt, already the data is sorted according to the alphabetic order of the roll numbers. So what to do? We can't give the same command, it will give the same output, it will not give a different output at all. So we use the descending order, that is the bigger roll number 20018 will come on the top and 20013 will go down. So to sort the data in the descending order, that is known as reverse order, you have to add sort -r, then the name of the file. Fine, so work is done. You can see here the bigger roll number came on the top while the smaller roll number went down. So this is known as sorting of the data. Then one more thing, the sort command is mostly used in conjunction with other commands. For example, we can use it with the cut command to order the output of the cut command. Execute the following command, that is cut -d -f 224 address.txt. You had learned earlier also that pipe sign is used for such type of combining two functions together. So by using this pipe sign, what have we done? We have not affected the file at all. Okay, the data in the file is intact as it is. Okay, here you can see the file lying in the data is intact as it is. There is no change in that, but the sort command is given as the output. Okay, cut is used to select only fields from 2 to 4, and then pipe sign is used, and then sort command is used to sort the 2 and 2 to 4 field according to the names. Fine, I clear the screen. The next command is tr command. Okay, now what is the use of tr command? The command used as filters work with a line or column, right? The tr command, that is translate command, allows us to work with individual character with a line, that is find and replace. If you want to replace comma by space, then you can do that thing. It is used to translate, that is convert strings or patterns from one set of characters to another. Now working with the address.txt file, you must have observed that it contains comma as delimiter. Assume that we do not want to show the delimiter as the time of the display. Then instead we would like to use blank space. Then how to do that thing? So tr command will be helpful to us for doing that thing. So how to do? First of all, cat command. To display the data of any file, we can use cat command. Then the name of the file. By learning all these things, you can come to know that how boring the computer may be in the past. Am I right? Right now computer is very much user friendly due to the GUI interface, but in command line interface, typing so many commands, remembering so many commands was just a real headache. And one more thing, I am not still able to understand why the government has kept such olden things in the course which is of no use in present days. Fine, the author is great. Fine, so here tr command is used like this way. Tr, the translation is applicable at the display, it will not be permanently replaced. So the -f option squeezes the additional space visible in the actual file. In case we need to save the translation visible, we can redirect the output to a new file also by using the pipe sign. Just now I just want to replace this comma by space. So what have I done? tr hyphen s, then in double quotes, in square bracket, comma, in single quote, here nothing in the square bracket, and enter. So in the output you can see here that the commas which were lying in between has been disappeared. Now the next command is pattern matching command. To find operation in one of the most widely used operation in GUI applications, we must have used the Control F key. Am I right? To find anything, we use Control F. Now there is a command for this work here in Ubuntu. The grep command performs similar operations from the command line interface. The command is based on a fundamental idea of search globally for a regular expression and display the lines where the instances are found, that is G, then RE and P. So let us make the use of this command. For example, I want to find a word VIDITA, Vidita, the last record if you remember, right? It is given on the top, you can see Vidita, from which file? Address.txt. Then we can use this command. Okay, it didn't give any output, right? So what is the issue? It should give the output. I use it again. It is not displaying the output because I made mistake in typing Vadita and Vidita. Fine. So observe that the string that we are looking for, string means a word or sentence, whatever we are searching for, is shown in red color. Also we have enclosed the keyword in double quote. It is not compulsory to enclose the keyword in double quotes, hence the command grep vandita extract address.txt will also give the same output. The string used in the grep command also is case sensitive. Hence, if I type capital V or small v, it makes difference. Then we can use different options along with grep command that will help us to refine our search in a better way. Open your textbook, pause the video here and open your textbook and come to page number 129. Table 6.8 lists the options and their usage. The first option is -C. I am not going to do this practically. -C returns only the number of matches without quoting the text. -I ignore case while searching. If you want to ignore the case whether capital V or small v, then you can use -I. Then -L returns only file names containing a match without quoting the text. -N returns the line number of match text as well as the text itself. -V returns all the lines that do not match the text. Okay, -V, what does it do? It returns all the lines that do not match the text. Reverse thing. Then -W returns lines which display only whole words. Suppose you are looking for a word the, and it will also display there, because in there the first three letters are THE. But if you use -W, then it will not display this. Then -O shows only the match strings. Now one very powerful feature of grep command is to use a regular expression as a keyword. Say for example, we want details about the person or persons who are staying in society that has JAL as its starting and I as its ending. Okay, JAL as its starting and I as its ending. Then a regular expression can be used. Let us execute the command shown. Whatever I am doing, just see grep space. What is the starting thing? JAL dot. Asterisk means any number of unknown characters, and last we keep L. Last character is L from address dot txt. Now I may have made some mistake as usual, so it's not displaying Jaldeep. I will try it once again. grep in double quotes J capital JAL. Now I don't use full stop and I type. Okay, now I have the last letter is I, not L. That is why here it is Jaldeep I. Fine. So the regular expression is normally followed by one of the several repetition operations shown in this thing, figure 6.9. Now here you got the output. Now come to page number 130 table number 6.9, repetition operator. The repetition operator, we have got question mark. Meaning is the preceding item is optional and match at most once. The next is asterisk. The preceding item will be matched 0 or more times. Plus, the preceding item will be matched 1 or more times. Then in curly bracket n, the preceding item is matched exactly n number of times. In curly brackets n comma, curly brackets close, the preceding item is matched n or more number of times. Then in curly brackets comma m, the preceding item is matched at most m number of times. Curly brackets n comma m, the preceding item is matched at least n number of times but not more than m number of times.